Hello everyone, this is the part 1 of our next rigging tutorial in Blender 4.5, the LTS version. So this will be again an advanced rigging tutorial, and we are going to rig this leg, these two legs. So as you can see, it's very nice model. So this will be the part 1. It will be multiple parts of the tutorial because it will be very complex and we are going to do step by step. We will first do the deformation bones setup. After that, the FK bones, the IK bones, the foot IK, the socket rigs for the legs, the stretching bones, and with the stretching bones also we will add two bones deformation system. So, and on top of this we are going to use drivers for switching FK and IK legs, or turn off, turn on socket rigs the way we want. So legs are quite complex for rigging. Let's start from the basics. Let's go now. So let's create an armature. Shift A, armature. Okay. Let's scale. Let's click the legs and enter in edit mode, and let's choose this part with subdivision. Okay. I no, come on. No. Okay. For some reason. And Shift S and selection to cursor. Okay. Going to the edit mode, and in the bones data panel, let's in the viewport display section click front so we can see the bone in front of the legs. Let's click and let's drag down. So let's go into the object edit mode for the leg, and cursor to selected, selection to cursor to offset. Okay, so very nice. Let's subdivide now this bone only one time. Okay, and move slightly forward so the bone will be, these two bones will be in bent position, as you can see, not straight. We need a little more bent. Very nice. Let's have precision. I don't know if it's my mistake, but it selects vertical, which is crazy, to be honest. I don't know why is that happening. Okay, I will turn the corrective, maybe that's the reason. Yeah. No. By the way, let's click this cursor to select it. Okay. Go back to bones. Selection to cursor and drag again. Oh, very nice. This. It's down. Okay. That's better. So let's continue. A little back. Extrude. This will be the toe. Let's subdivide first. Okay. Very nice. Let's roll the bone because it's okay. A little rolling. I think it, let me enable X bone axis. No, not this. Yeah, okay. That's better. Okay. I think it's better. Let's create hip bone. I will just duplicate. Okay. This better. Okay. Good. And we will need the spine bone. So we don't have the spine, but we will need to control the upper part of the legs. So Shift A. As you can see, when I scale the bone, it scales at the center, and we need to scale it down. So we go here in the transformer, in the pivot point section, and click active element. That's very nice. Okay. That was the basic setup. So let's start name these bones. Deformation spine. So this normally this bone would be a deformation spine bone, but we can also call it just a controller. It's up to us, but I will leave as diff spine. So diff hip total, diff upper leg total, diff lower leg total. Diff dot, this the foot dot L, and this is the toe div dot toe dot L. Very nice. Now we need to mirror these bones into the other side, in the other leg. How we do? We are clicking, right click, symmetrize, or if you can do something else, symmetrize is the best option. Let's see. Okay, this is better from what I see. Little rotation in the, yeah, okay. Okay, and okay, we need also, oh yes, with symmetrize, as you can see, it changes to the right automatically from left and right. Okay, that's very nice. Let's also parent this, let's parent the upper leg into the hip. First click the upper leg and lastly the hip. Right click, parent, make, keep offset. Nice. Same thing in the right leg. Keep offset. And now we parent these two hip bones into the spine bone. We first selecting these two hip bones and lastly the spine bone. Right click, make, keep offset. Very nice. And let's also create a root bone. So cursor toward origin, in the edit mode, Shift A, create a new bone. This bone will not deform. Uncheck the deform here, uncheck in, this is in the bone properties panel. So rotate in 90 degrees, minus 90, I think it's better. Okay. And let's parent the spine bone in the root bone. So as you can see, very nice. Let it be little. Okay, that's better. Let's name it root bone. So this was the, I think I will close this tutorial, the part 1 in this section. So in the next part, in part 2, we are going to create FK bones and the IK bones, and we are going to turn, and we are going to switch them with the drivers, so it will be a interesting part. So that's for today. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like the like this tutorial. It will help me a lot. So that's for today, guys. Have a nice day.